Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. These are the Huawei FreeBuds 3. It is Huawei's answer to the Apple AirPods Pro. It has all the features of the AirPods Pro in the sense that it has noise canceling, wireless charging, a whole bunch of other stuff. And of course, it works best with Huawei devices, but also Android devices and iPhones. So potentially a more universal solution. So that's the box. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff on the back. This is how you download the app. There's some serial numbers at the edge here. And so I want to just unbox this really quickly. Obviously, I'm not going to review these, but we're going to find out what's inside the box. So here we have it, the box. Ta-da! Ooh, it starts with this little hockey puck type thing here, which I guess is going to be the case. If I can get it out. Ooh, it is wedged in there pretty good. So that's the hockey puck case. Nothing else in here, it seems. Here's the charger, I guess, or charging cable. I'm not sure if it comes as actually a charger per se. Yeah, it's just a cable, nothing else in here. So as you can see, this is your standard USB Type A to Type C. Yes, Type C. Awesome. Connector right here. So it's good to see Type C on more accessories than just phones these days. And then here, finally, here we have some documentation. I bet the earbuds are inside of the case. So I'll remove that shortly. And there's nothing because this is a pre-production unit from Huawei PR. Sorry for the tease. All right, so let's have a look at these, shall we? This is what they look like. Very nice. Let me remove this little sticker here. And here we are. And so it says Huawei. Interesting how they have this weird little rectangular inset. This is not a sticker, folks. This is the hinge mechanism. This is made of metal, which is why it's shiny. So they open up like this. Seem familiar? And then you can pull them out, and they look like slightly oversized AirPods Non-Pro. It's interesting that they have noise cancellation considering they don't have a seal. So we'll see how that pans out. Unfortunately, I don't have a pair of AirPods Pro to try out because Apple didn't send me a review in it. So I won't be able to compare them to the AirPods Pro, I'm afraid. But this is what the case looks like, and it's not really that big. I mean, it's slightly bigger than the AirPods case, the original AirPod case. If you kind of cut these two corners here, you get roughly the size of the AirPods Non-Pro case. So I guess this one goes this way, and this one goes that way. And then you just plug them in to USB-C, and of course wireless charging. So what's the deal? Well, they have active noise cancellation. They have really high sound quality, long battery life. I don't know the details. If I find them out, I will put them up here. And I don't know the pricing or availability either. So again, I'll let you know up here if I find out before this video comes out. So Huawei is obviously going to try to be competitive with Sony's offering here, the WF-1000X M3s, and with the AirPods Pro. So we'll see how it pans out in terms of sound, battery life, connection quality, noise reduction, etc. Yeah, that's basically all I was going to show you. Nothing too fancy here. These Huawei FreeBuds 3, these high quality noise canceling completely wireless earbuds from Huawei. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell your friends, click the little notification bell down there, comment in the comments below, and remember that this video is a complement to my podcast, the Mobile Tech Podcast. MobileTechPodcast.com, also on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Overcast, and Spotify. So subscribe to that as well and tell your friends as well. If you want to hear my thoughts on this device, you'll have to listen to the podcast. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned for more unboxings videos soon. Cheers, everybody.